woke today. Felt you side of bed. The covers were still warm where you'd been laying. You ain't gone. My heart was filled with dread. You might not be sleeping here again. But it's alright, 'cause I love you. That's not gonna change. Run me round, make me hurt again and again. But I'll still sing you love songs written in the letters of your name. The breath storm to come, oh, it surely looks like rain. Did you ever wake into the sound of street cats making loud? Guess from their cries you were listening to a light. Well, you know, hate's just the last thing they're thinking of. They're only trying to make it through the night. I don't wanna tie you down. Or fence you in the lines I might have drawn. It's just that gotten used to having you around. landscape would be empty if you were gone. But it's alright, 'cause I love you. That's not gonna change. Run me round, make me hurt again and again. But I'll still sing you that song written in the letters of your name. Bread storm to come, oh, it surely looks like rain. Bread the storm to come, 'cause it looks like rain. Looks like rain, and the people saying it looks like rain. Oh, world's turning gray. Looks like rain. Looks like rain, and it feels like rain. Surely looks like rain. Everywhere the people say, here comes the rain. Oh, well, it's rain. It looks like rain. Looks like rain, and it feels like rain. Looks like rain. Oh, after the rain, it looks like rain.